Hi guys, so today I will be showing you how to make your very own unicorn notebook just like this one I'm showing you guys.
You are going to need some scissors, a notebook to decorate, a glue stick and some wrapping paper to cover your book with, and some glitter glue.
The first step is to measure how much wrapping paper you need to cover your entire book. Just cover your book with the wrapping paper without any glue on it, and then just measure how much you need, and then you just cut it off using your scissors. Make sure you leave enough wrapping paper on the sides of the notebook, so leave a little bit extra so that you can fold it over the cover of the book. Now you can smear the cover of your book using your glue stick. Now take your unicorn wrapping paper and paste it on top of the cover. Then you can use your hands to flatten out the wrapping paper. Now that you have stuck your wrapping paper, go to the bottom corner and the top corner of your book and then just cut that leftover wrapping paper so that you can fold it. In the corners, as you can see, you must cut these little triangles so that you will be able to fold it and so that the wrapping paper won't tear. I'm going to show you how to fold your wrapping paper into your book. Firstly, use your glue stick and smear the inside bottom edges of your book so when you fold the wrapping paper, it will stick to it. Then start with your bottom edge of wrapping paper and fold it onto the glued area. Now go to the bottom left corner of the wrapping paper and make a little triangle by folding the corner inwards. Then you can fold it onto your book. Now go to the top of edge of your book and then fold that wrapping paper onto it. Now repeat the same step on the other side of your book. Starting at the bottom, folding a little corner, and then you paste it onto it. Now this is the finished product. It's so pretty and it came out so neat. Now we're going to bedazzle the cover. I'm using a glitter paint, just a clear coat of glitter, and just putting on 3 coats of that onto my book and leaving it out in the sun to dry. Then I took some confetti and added that to the book so that it will sparkle even more. I added the confetti while the third coat was still wet so it will stick onto the cover of the book. Now leave your book in the sun for about 45 minutes. Now I'm going to use my glitter glue stick to add my name onto my book. You can add your name or a friend's name or your mom's name by just tracing it out and using your glitter glue just like a pen. The glitter glue takes quite a while to dry, so leave it out in the sun for about 8 hours and then you can go, and I added 2 bows to my cover of my book and now I'm done. It looks super cute and I'm very excited to give it to my mom. If you want, you can add a clear plastic coat to the covers of your book so that it won't get damaged and so that it will be more sturdy before you give it to someone. Thank you for watching. Good luck for making your very own unicorn notebook. Bye!